Hi, sweetheart. We're about to have dinner. My jet lag is so bad. Nakakatulog ako pag akyat ng araw. Tapos, yan. Tapos, gigising ako hapon. Dinner na! Dinner kami ngayon sa isang Vietnamese restaurant ng Pho. Yan. Yeah, say hi.
Hi.
Bob, can you smile? I miss your dimples. People might think you're very sad because you're unhappy with your mommy. No, we love each other so much. Kakain na po kami. Miss you guys. Uwi na ako. Pero ang sarap ng weather dito. This is my sweater. Very cute. We'll eat first. See you later. Love you. Kumusta naman ang inyong trip to New York? Yaya I and Yaya H. Sarap. Tumataba-taba tayo. Tumaba ako. Ang saya-saya ko. Tumaba ako. Diba, Yaka?
Ganda-ganda. Konti lang.
Si Yaya ay, ang ganda-ganda mo dito, ya. Wala silang, kahit naman sa Manila, pretty face mo eh. Ito mga Yaya namin. I love my Yaya H. Yaya Hansel. Yeah, that's my Yayi. She's take caring me. Because I'm like a 9-year-old baby. Baby talaga. And Yaya I took care of Taki. And this is my... Honey, show your dimples.
Pinakita.
Praise God! Oo, kasi hindi humingiti. 15. Because when you're 15... Tama ba? When I was 15, love, I did Dear Heart. I was so sweet. Now I'm still sweet. With a little spicy. Ayan, kain-kain lang po kami dito gabi-gabi. Ikot-ikot. Usually, paglalabas sila ng araw, tulog ako. Tama-tama, pag-uwi, wala akong jet lag. Kayong lahat may jet lag. Nakakatuwa kasi masarap malamig. Ayan, papasok na po kami. Baka lumabas ulit ako pag mahaba ang pila. Puno, no? Masarap siya. Kami magfa-pho. Pho. P-H-O. Pho. Kala ko nun, pho. Sabi nung si best friend Eileen ko is Chinese. She's not Filipino at all. She was born in Vietnam. Sabi niya, honey, it's pho. Really? Daddy, say hi. Say hi. Hi,
Sorry about that.
Hi. Oh, Senator! Number 5! Naks! Ayan, iikot-ikot lang muna kami habang punong-puno po ang restaurant. Parang masarap nga dito. Kumain na kayo dito. Nung tulog ako. Hindi ka kasama. Si Sir yata, tsaka si Gugu. Okay, see you later. I miss you guys. Bye! Oh, look! It's bagay. Huh?
Dessert.
Sure. But, no time sini accountant 2. Pero lalabas na bukas ang Lilo and Stitch na live action. Susot ko yung Lilo sweater ko. My outfit is bagay to the Hikaw Casey Day. My pink pearl and heart hikaw. Okay, talagang see you na later. Kasi ang kulit ko na. See you po. Okay. The pho is here. Dahil malaki, hinati namin. Kasi ito po siya. Ito yung bowl ko. Lalagyan nyo ng toge at saka, is this mint, Dana? Or basil? Mint, no? It's huge. Okay, so meron siyang karne, saka rice noodles, ganito. Yes. Kasi tingnan nyo naman ang serving. And so, the one serving is this. Ayan po, napakalaki. Isang serving lang yan. Parang tatlo yan, sweetheart. Yung pwedeng 3 tao. Apat pa nga. So we're all, yan. Attention na po kayo. Phone lang gamit ko. Tapos, ang in-order ko, sabi ko fried spring rolls. Pero may kasama pa lang. Rice noodles, may vermicelli. Yan. Ibale. Sorry. Taste test. I need to put the sauce. Their patis is sweet, no? What do you call it? Nambo? Something? No, nampla style. This is a little hoisin. You want sriracha, sweetheart? Dede pala. Okay. Did you put hoisin? Here, honey. Okay. Got it? There. Cannot see you. There. I have to move closer to you, my dad. Sorry po. Yan. Ma-share lang namin sa inyo. Kain po tayo. Naku! Wow! Sabaw! Baka mamim ka na naman. Sabihin, hindi mo talaga inigo. Mm. Masarap nga dito. Mm. Oh my God. Saving time. Ang Vietnamese food, very clean and healthy. Hindi ko alam, ang linis ng pagluto nila, wala masyadong fat. Pag Chinese, di ba? Oil and all. Food review, mahal. Sabi ni Kaki, nagpupukbang po kayo. Food review, my love.
You put on sauce.
Hold on.
What sauce do you use? This plain?